Don't just stand there, Rangers. Get yourselves and those monsters out of here.
Honestly, Preston, manners. Please place the wild animals outside where they belong. Then you may join us for holiday dinner.
They may what?
Really? Wow! That's so splendiferous of you! Thank you!
My pleasure. But first, the raccoons. I'll walk you out.
What the raccoons really need is a warm home made of rocks and sticks to spend the winter in. Then they won't need to hide in the chimney.
Warm raccoon home, rocks and sticks. Got it! Strength power! How's this?
Perfect! Check out your new home, little raccoons. Now to cap the chimney so no animals can get inside it and end up in danger. Constructomax, construct a chimney cap.
Mission accomplished! Now we can join the Braxtons for holiday dinner, just like they said. Priscilla, we're all done and ready for holiday dinner.
Oh, you're not invited in, darling. I just said that to get rid of you. Much more elegant than my brother's booby traps, don't you think? Bye now.
Wow, harsh. I guess Priscilla's a lot more like her brother than we thought.
Just as well. Better to have winter holiday dinner with everyone we love on Kaleidoscopia.
You're right, baby. Homeward bound, Rangers! When troubles come, we're on the way. Rainbow Rangers